Hi, I am Ajay, studying grade 12. Today, let us see the comparison of mass and charge.
Comparison of charge and mass. Charge. Electric charge can be positive, negative or zero. Mass. Mass of a body is positive quantity. Charge. Charge carried by a body does not depend upon velocity of body. Mass. Mass of body increases with its velocity. Charge is quantized. The quantization of mass is yet to be established. Electric charge is always conserved. Mass is not conserved as it can be charged into an energy and vice versa. Force between charge can be attractive or repulsive according as charge are unlike or like charge. The gravitational force between two masses is always attractive. Thank you.